Hello everyone, for today's video I just wanted to show you the difference between this latch right here from the shoulder and this latch right here at the bottom, because my family members are always getting confused between these two. So I figure a lot of people are getting confused between this as well. So basically you wanted to use this latch right here when you just want somebody to go in and out. So when you pull this thing out, this thing just go this way so it doesn't go flat all the way, and then here you can move the seat back and forth. Okay, so if you just want people to go in quickly to the back, this is what you use. Okay, now if you use this, your seat is going to fall right here and going to go flat and you can't move it around. So let me go ahead and do it, and you see that now you really can't move this anymore unless you pull it from the front right here. Okay, so if you just want to have people go in and out to the back, this is all you need to use. Okay, and I hope that you found this video helpful. Please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel, and thank you for watching.